Hello kids, I'm Sharmin Schiller. Today I am going to draw a giraffe. I draw a giraffe very simple and easy way. Kids, you can draw with me and draw a giraffe step by step. You can use a pencil or a marker and a small paper. So, you are ready to draw a giraffe. So let's draw together. Kids, this is baby giraffe, and this is so cute. Kids, do you like this baby giraffe?
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys.
Kids, if you're enjoying my video, please subscribe my channel. This is orange color. This is yellow color. This is so beautiful. This is orange color. Kids, this is almost finished. Wow, so great color, kids. Kids, thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.